Hello, hello. All right, so I've had some requests from students asking me about looking up particular information for the 44th Congressional District. So I thought I'd walk through real quick and just kind of show you some basic stuff. So again, my recommendation, always go to Google. Google is a better search engine, one of the top ones. I should probably move my cursor. 44th Congressional District, must type that in, click enter. Um, I know people have issues with Wikipedia. I particularly don't, as long as the footnotes make sense and they're somewhat relevant. And I believe you, as seniors, you have a better idea of what makes sense and what doesn't. If it sounds fishy, I would check out the notes. I'm sorry, the footnotes and see. And if that leads you to a TMZ-like website, probably not the best to use it. But I'm a big believer in it. I think it is a good thing. But as you type in 44th Congressional District, there's a lot of stuff that we can go to look at here. You can see maps, whatnot. So again, I would remind you that it is this particular area. I don't really like this one, however, it shows it the best. So San Pedro, Wilmington, Carson, Compton, Willowbrook, Linwood, Southgate, and so forth, parts of Lakewood, North Long Beach. So you do your investigation what you need to, but I'm going to go back over here. So I'm just going to type on or click on Wikipedia first. Show me all the cities. It'll give you a lot of stuff. You can get quite a few things. Someone asked me about the Cook PVI, what that is that just rates how far to one side on the political spectrum they are. So this would be D, and that stands for Democrat plus 35. 0 is the medium point there. So D plus 35 says they're leaning towards a Democratic side, not 70 or 80 plus, but 35 is more than 10 or 5. So they're favorably Democratic in this district. And currently the representative is Miss Mrs. Nanette Barhan. Believe I said it correctly. Probably didn't, and that's wonderful. There's population as of 2015, so it'll tell you, break down the ethnicity. That'll give you some stuff there. So if we go down further, we can look at everything, education, all that. See, so if I want to start looking up these stats, then I would click on the footnote there. I want to know that that high school graduation is there. It'll take me to there. Click on the link, and it takes me to what I had told some of us earlier. The census.gov is the place to go to look at this information. So the problem is when we research and we search things, we can't just click in Google the question that we want and expect to get the answer. We have to do some real inquisitive research to find it, and we have to dig deeper to create the answer. So all the data is in here that you need. So the example, the ages breakdown in your group, 15 to 19 out of 723,000 plus individuals, 56,000 of you are in the range of 15 to 19. My recommendation would be is divide that out and you'll get a percentage that would work in that one. So that does peoples, and this goes all the way down, information, place of birth, down to anything you name it, it'll go down. Socioeconomic, you can click on that, it'll show you households, it'll show you housing, it'll show you workers, it'll show you education level. My computer's a little slow, but that's okay. So it'll show you everything. So the data is there. You just have to look for it and create it yourself. That's what I'm really pushing you to do in that one. So let's go back. And if you ever have any different insight or you want to look into more, get a bigger snapshot, I would go on to Representative's actual webpage. Let's go down here. I believe it is. Yes. I think that is the House webpage. Yes, there she is. So you can click around and see some of the issues that she currently deals with and all the way so forth. And you get an idea of what she is doing for the district, which may help you with your project in this one. You can Facebook, you can Twitter her as well. So you can tweet her and ask her some questions, and I bet she will respond back, or at least a staffer will. So it's pretty good. Overall, it's a good thing to get into to see who the current person is and what they're doing, and then learn a little bit about them, and then make your project a little easier. So again, fairly simple. You're gonna have to dig a little deeper to find the answers that you want in it. But I'm confident everyone can. Ballotpedia has some good ones there, GovTrack, but that is how we would search it there and move forward with it. So good luck, and may the best candidate win come November 7th, 2017 for DME 2017.